Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ktalnews.com and, of course, your Weather Authority app as well. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Tuesday morning forecast update. We'll undergo a pattern change pretty much each day here for the rest of the week. We do have a few light rain showers passing through this morning. We'll be dry for much of the day here, but we can't rule out maybe some rain popping up late this afternoon as well. Nice sunny and warm day arriving tomorrow. That will not last for too long. Thursday, we have a strong cold front coming in, so we're still watching the potential for some strong to severe storms on Thursday, and then likely a big cool down coming Friday. In fact, Friday may have some locations on St. Patrick's Day with highs in the 40s, just to give you an idea of the Arctic air that will be on the way later this week. So your temperatures this morning are also on the chilly side. Right now we're in the 40s, and I would expect by sunrise we'll see quite a few locations in the 30s, and we do have just some light rain passing through the northern Arklatex this morning as we're picking up a few showers there in Arkansas. This initial round of rain will blow through. We probably will not see much for the rest of the day here, but we are likely going to see just a little push of rain maybe into the northern Arklatex late this afternoon. Speaking of the afternoon, your highs today in the 50s as well as the low 60s, so we've got another cool day, about 10 degrees below average, and that's due to that north breeze that is still with us, but the winds switching around to the south tomorrow, which will start that warm up for us. But we do have one little upper level disturbance that will swing through later today, so Futurecast does show at least a few rain showers popping up maybe after 3 or 4 p.m., especially along I-30, and there may be some additional rain down here in deep east Texas. Pretty quick shot of rain here, so less than 1/10 of an inch of rain for most locations, and you can see the skies clearing tonight, and just a wonderful day full of sunshine tomorrow. Try to take advantage of that as the cold weather, the rain, will likely keep us cooped up late this week and into the weekend. So the latest look from the Storm Prediction Center, really not a big change to what we're expecting with the severe weather potential on Thursday. Still looks like hail and wind will be the main threats here, but we may see a few storms Thursday evening that do bring the potential at least to see a few tornadoes as well. Severe weather threat will likely start out in the morning, but it now looks like the best push of storms through the Arklatex may come through during the afternoon and evening, and that's actually sped up the model runs from the previous 24 hours or so. We were expecting a lot of this rain would come overnight, but it now looks like we could see maybe a better push of rain and storms during the day on Thursday. So I think the thing that's still very uncertain on Thursday, before the cold front gets here in the afternoon, we could have a few strong storms that pop up in the morning, but as that front moves in, we'll really see the potential for some hail initially, and then as this line of storms forms along the cold front, once we get closer to sunset on Thursday, this will probably transition to more of a wind threat for us, but again, can't rule out maybe just an isolated tornado or two Thursday night, early Friday morning. But I would expect after midnight we'll see that potential for severe weather wind down, and likely we'll see some of these rain showers and just kind of that mist around on Friday morning. Friday will be kind of a cloudy, colder, and breezy day, so we'll have temperatures likely in the 50s and maybe the upper 40s for highs on Friday. So if you have any outdoor plans for St. Patrick's Day, and I know there's a lot of events going on Friday as well as Saturday, it is going to be cold out there. In fact, the Weather Prediction Center, the Climate Prediction Center, next 6 to 10 days, that's basically looking at the weekend and early next week, they're calling for a big bullseye of cold temperatures across the country, but especially here in the Arklatex, so we'll likely see those highs good 15, 20 degrees below average behind this cold front late this week. So tomorrow, probably the most peaceful weather day we'll see with those highs close to 70, and you can see the rain and storms picking up here Thursday, early Friday. Weekend looks to be dry but mostly cloudy, and weekend will be pretty cold as well. In fact, could see some freezing temperatures here at some point over the weekend, and late tonight, can't rule out maybe a brief freeze north of I-30. So if you're in McCurtain County, some of those surrounding counties in Arkansas may want to cover up the plants in the garden tonight, as we'll see the temperatures pretty cold tonight, but again, that warmer air begins to build in tomorrow.